Thank you. Maraming salamat, Ambassador Willie Gaang. Mayor Asmunson, a Filipina very proud of, Mr. Sean, Mr. Rosander, our friend from Ateneo Law School, Phil Wyman, the Filipino-American community of Fresno and the neighboring cities and towns, of course, Team Philippines in San Francisco and Los Angeles, members of the Philippine delegation, ladies and gentlemen, magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat. We're very happy to be here to meet with our Filipino-Americans in Fresno. Just like what Ambassador Painor said, the last time I was here was as Vice President in 1991, when I was the guest of the Philippine-American Chamber of Commerce of Central California. And so we're very proud to be here once again. This time, ngayon, naglagmering sa siya unlad na ekonomiya. Ang Estados Unidos ang pinaka-importanteng kaalyado ng Pilipinas. Malapit sa puso natin mga Pilipino ang Amerika, ang kanyang taong bayan, ang kanilang kultura. Hindi nakakagulat dahil mahigit 4 na milyong Amerikano ay may lahing Pilipino. At lampas 250,000 na Amerikano ay nakatira sa Pilipinas. Kaya higit sa karaniwang diplomasya ang pagkakaibigan ng ating mga bansa. Sa inyong mga Pilipino sa Amerika, hindi lamang tayo magpamilya. Kaya karangan na makipagputong sa ating mga kabayan, mga PhilAm at OFW sa ating pagdalaw dito sa West Coast para tignan naman ang inyong sitwasyon. At kaya naman ako ay nagpunta doon sa Community Hospital ng Fresno para mag-guide ng pahayag kung gaano mamalaki ang ating professionals ng mga Pilipina. Hindi lumilipas ang isang araw na hindi natin inaasikaso ang ating mga overseas Filipinos, either attending to their needs or giving them honor. At dito sa Amerika, lalo na dito sa Fresno, sa Central California, ang mas kailangan gawin ay bigyan kayo ng parangal kaysa kasi kasunin yung pangangailangan na kayo dito. Kaya congratulations sa inyo lahat. Our kababayans in America, you, dear brothers and sisters, form a dynamic human bridge that joins the Philippines and the United States, and that connects our past with our future. And you have grown in large numbers, more than 4 million now. And you have attained the pinnacle of the profession. Narinig natin yung mga profession, pinanggit kanina sa introduction to the minor. And so, it is understandable, 100 years ago, you're increasingly self-articulate and visible, and you become more involved in the vibrant national life that makes America a truly remarkable country. And you have done so without losing your bonds of affection for your country or your inherent pride in your Filipino heritage. Every year, Filipino Americans extend all forms of assistance for your own schools, your hometowns, your provinces, your local organizations, educational and internet support to humanitarian and charitable causes. Filipino Americans are ever ready to help the land of our forefathers. Ngayon, may pangangailangan na naman. May bagyong dumaan sa Pilipinas, inaasahan na naman ang tulong ng lahat ng gustong tulong, lalo na yung mga Pilipino. Kaya, halip nang ako ay gagawa ng mahabang diskurso, kung paumanhin ninyo, ay magkakaroon ng National Disaster Coordinating Council video conference para marinig din ninyo yung sitwasyon tungkol sa bagyo at kung ano ang ginagawa at tungkol ng pang pangangailangan. So if with your permission, therefore, I would like to call this NDCC to order. Nakita nyo, yan, Malacanang yan. Yung nasa dulo, si Vice President Noli de Castro yun. And we have about 28 members of the National Disaster Coordinating Council. So ladies and gentlemen, dari Malacanang, I'm calling this meeting to order in front of the Filipino community of Central California. So let's begin with Undersecretary Yumol on the weather update.